Okay, guys, so this is Dynamite FX, and this is my channel. Welcome once again. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can actually flip your accounts. Okay, your small accounts, $10, $20 upward. A lot of people do not have a stable strategy or have been blowing their accounts and don't know how to trade. Basically, all you need to know is all you need to know is basic knowledge of trading, and you can flip any account size. And do not forget that having good capital is actually very good, okay, to trade, in the sense of you being able to amass some good profits, okay, work less and make more. You understand that? But a lot of people out there, I've received a lot of mails, messages from people telling me, please, can you help me flip this, can you help me flip the account, can you help me trade, asking for account management, all that, up and down. And a lot of people get fall a victim of trying to trying to give their accounts to account managers to trade and all of that. Yes, but one thing you should know, it's good actually to give your account, but how are you sure you are going to be giving your account to someone who can actually handle your account without having to put the account at risk? So if you ask me, you don't want to be putting yourself into such risk. Okay, it's okay, you could be lucky to find someone who can actually allow you, who can actually handle the account. But sometimes account management, the account managers may not pay proper attention to your account as much as they'll do theirs. Okay, it's just normal. I mean, trading is stressful and all of that. So but right now I'm going to be showing you how you're going to flip your accounts, without having to wait for someone to trade for you and all of that. If you do not know how to trade, you have to learn how to trade basically. But even if you do not know anything about trading, this strategy I'm going to teach you now, it's going to help you to actually know how to trade. So once again, welcome to my channel. And before before I show you the setting of the indicators I'm using right here, watch till the end. Do well to hit the subscribe button if this video ever is over of help to you. Do not forget that this channel is where you learn how to trade for yourself, and where you get useful tips, strategies to help you trade. Okay, so if you can see right now, this was a deposit of $10. Okay, I deposited $10 in this account and made some profit, and right now this account is having $20 right here. So that is 100% flip. So the same the same way you're able to flip a $10 account by 100% is the same way you can flip a $1,000 account by 100% as well. It is the same thing. All you need is basic knowledge. You need to know basic knowledge. You need to know certain things. Okay, so right now in this strategy is as simple as what you can see, what I'm going to be explaining right now. If you haven't watched my previous video, go ahead and watch them. Look out for them, search for them. You're going to see where I explained a lot of stuff. So basically we are dealing with moving averages and the MACD. So the rule is this. Before when this was happening, when we had this when price broke out of this structure after creating a the last lower high and the last lower low right here. So you can see this is the last lower low. Okay, and price came and broke the last high. You can see the last swing high right here. This was the last swing high before it gave us this low, and this is the last swing low. So having revisited the last high right here, I marked that, and price broke out of that zone and retested. And if you observe as well, you can see that the MACD is also showing you a cross around here as well. So what do? You're looking out to buy, and I said make good use of the bounces. Use the moving average. If you remember my previous video, I said I love to use the moving averages to trade because it helps to serve as a dynamic support and resistance in the market. So what's your concern in the market? Your concern is actually to look out for when to buy or when to sell. So this is the condition. Okay, price is actually trending on top of this. It has already started making a bullish movement, and it's only normal for you to want to look out for reasons to buy, right? So Another thing we're going to be looking at is the MACD. As you can see, the MACD has crossed as well and is above the 0.00 levels, okay, the mid level. Okay, do not forget that the MACD does the up and down movement. It goes up and it comes down. So basically, when this happened, price began to retest this. Price came here and retested and closed back, meaning that this support was respected. Okay, the moving average as well served as a dynamic support for this trend at the moment. And so you can see the distance between the 200 and the 50. So this was the reason why I took this for a buy actually. So this became the entry, and you could do this, you could scalp with this became the entry, and price decided to go up from there. And when it was time, price got to the 200 moving average, and this created this M structure right here. And you can see that the last swing low got broken with this candle, this whole candle here got broken. And okay, and the MACD as well is telling us it's time to sell. So this is the MACD now telling us it's time to sell. So having seen that, I waited to see what is happening, and I took this pullback, this bearish candle, this bullish candle, to be a pullback. For me, this trend is changing direction, because if you look at the bigger time frame, I mean, if for the fact that 220 and 50 and 200, like, price is trending below 200, even though it's been trending long time ago, it's kind of late to get in there, because any moment from here price can actually change direction. But it's still a rule, so we abide by the rule until we're taken out. So don't forget, this is a live account and I'm flipping these accounts. Okay, so this is it. Price has created a double bottom, a double top right here, and we have the last point broken right there. You could use this point as well with the wick, okay, but I've considered using here and leaving the wick out. And so that is the neckline for me, and presently this is where price is. Okay, and as long as price had come this way, and of course, like I said, price is below the 2 moving average, it's still a downtrend until proven otherwise. For this to be over, I want to see the 2 moving averages cross back for a buy, and of course break above this top here for me to know that okay, this trade is a loss. But for now it's not, it's still upgoing. So, and then MACD as well has confirmed a sell right here. Okay, so that's why I took that sell, and you can observe that I use the smallest lot size for this account. I'm not over risking. Remember, I'm trying to flip this account. It was just a $10 deposit, so I'm trying to flip this account. So guys, this is how you can trade. Okay, so just assume if you had seen all of this from the beginning when it happened. Remember, this is what I'm talking about. After you know the structure got broken, it was actually trending upward before, and then it suddenly changed direction by breaking the last previous low of that trend and began to do a retest. So from the moment this moving average crossed, okay, from when MACD crossed for a sell, the cross happened around here, you begin to look for reasons to sell. So this would have been an entry, probably here or here. Okay guys, so you can just continue that. So I said that at the end of this video I was going to be showing you the indicators, the settings of the indicators. So right now, this is the settings. You go to the F, you select this. You can see the 200 linear weight, apply to close. You can use any pixel and any color of your choice. You can also go over and use the 50. Sometimes I use just the 50 alone, okay, but it's okay to use the 50 and the 200, the same settings. Just pause this video and copy the settings. So guys, it is that simple. You can practice this, raise your account. Now it's in progress, and I'm looking forward to having this as my take profit, and I will still be observing. I don't have to wait for it to get to take profit, but because why? You can see that the price is long gone. Oh my god, it crossed from here long time ago. This cross took place, sorry for that, This cross took place right here a long time ago. So um I right now it's scalping. It's risky because this is going to be my stop loss. I have to set this because I'm going to be busy after now. 165.68. So I'm going to be doing this 165.68. Okay, so that is me protecting my account. Guys, you have to be ready to lose for you to be able to win. If you're not ready to lose, then you're not ready to win. And this is late, so it's very important I have that stop loss in order. It has gone out the first time. It went out the first time. The price actually went out the first time right here. From here, it came back again the second time. It went out here, closed back in, went out again and closed back in. So I trust this to be successful. Okay, so now if you want to grow your account, do this. Okay guys, do this. Keep it simple. Do not over stress yourself too much with too many strategies. Just keep this simple. I have a lot of videos on my channel. Go through them, find out what works for you. Okay, you have to find out what works for you and apply it. And see you in my next video. If you have a comment, drop your comments below. If you want to contact me for mentorship or every other services, I offer signal services as well. I offer mentorship program at a very affordable fee. And you need mentorship. Believe me, if you do not know what to do, you need mentorship. You need someone to guide you and tell you what to do. Okay, when you face those challenges, you need someone to discipline you, to put a check on you while you are growing. So thank you guys for watching my video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.